Hello everyone, this is Yawen Lu from Intelligent Vision and Sensing Lab of Rochester Institute of Technology. Today is my great pleasure to introduce our work, 3D modeling beneath ground, plan rule detection and reconstruction based on the ground penetrating radar. This paper is co-authored with Professor Guoyu Lu. First, let's define our problem. When it comes to the plant root detection and shape reconstruction, we will raise the problem: how to detect root branches beneath the ground and reconstruct them without destroying them. The answer is that we can use a GPR-based deep shape reconstruction network. Let's introduce our motivation. Classical GPR-based interpretation methods focus on the localizing varied root and the root diameter estimation. Conventional methods has a high requirement on the scan directions and the root positions and are very sensitive to the underground noises, producing unsatisfied detection results. In recent years, deep learning-based algorithm has been widely explored in the large object with uniform shape distribution, for example, the chairs, cars, and bottles. Few methods explore the reconstruction from the thin and complex and the underground roots before. So let's introduce our plant root detection and reconstruction pipeline. So the entire pipeline consists of two main models. The PARNet and the gprMax represent parabola detection network and the graph reconstruction network, respectively. The PARNet is composed of the stacked hourglass network, and it is used to extract the image features from the processed GPR-B scans to localize the parabola center's point and fit the parabola curve coefficients. We use the parabola center localization loss L center to regress the parabola center P. We also use the anchor-free based root signal detection method. In order to further fit each detected parabola, the parabola fitting loss L fitting is introduced to fit the coefficients of each the parabola equations. For the root reconstruction, we use a novel graph convolutional neural network GCN to capture the rich geometry relationships among the adjacent points, which greatly aids the thin and fine-grained root branches. So in the generator of the reconstruction network, the latent vector is followed by the network for the point feature expansion. It progressively enlarges the point feature to a high dimensions in order to recover the final dense and complete root. As for the loss, for the graph-based 3D root reconstruction network, we simultaneously use the chamfer distance loss CD and the earth mover distance loss EMD. The chamfer distance loss is designed to minimize the distance between the coarse output and the ground truth point cloud. And the EMD loss is introduced to minimize the distance between the fine output and the ground truth point cloud. Let's show some results of the root detection. Let's show some result of the plant root detection. Given the input B scans on the simulated B scans and the real collected dataset, we can see that our detection almost recovers all the possible roots and can well fit the each root shapes. When it comes to the plant root reconstruction result, we can observe that our reconstruction result is very close to the dense ground truth result, while the results from other methods either suffer from some distortions or missing some branches. For the ablation analysis, we can see the we show both the reconstruction performance affected by the different losses and the reconstructed performance affected by the different key members and the point member. So let's conclude our work. First, we propose a novel GPR-based root parabola detection and shape reconstruction network. Secondly, we propose a graph convolutional network. GCNN treats the root branches as the graph features and recover the detailed and complex root structure progressively. Finally, the reconstructed final ground 3D roots can be further applied to the root trait extraction and the root diameter estimation.